Hi everyone, you're all welcome to Mr. Government Skills Acquisition Training Program. Today I'm going to show you how to design a GT Bank logo. After I click on plus, then click on blank. It is going to show you this place. Then scroll your icons and click on fit. Here's the icon for fit. If you click on fit, it is going to show you this white background. Then click on that. Then let me change the color of the background to be blue. Then I'm going to click on that good arrow at the top. Then I'm going to select the option for shape. Here's the option for shape. Here's the option for shape. I'm going to select the shape for rectangle. Here's the shape for rectangle. Then I'm going to trim it. I'm going to expand it. I'm going to expand it. I'm going to adjust the shape. I'm going to change the color of the logo to red because the color of the GT Bank, the color of the logo is red. Let me use this red and see. Then I'm going to add the border. I'm going to change the color of the border to white. But before we continue, let me show you the logo of the GT Bank. Here's the logo, you see. So let's go back to our own work. Let me click on it and change the color again. Let me use this color and see. Let me add the square in the logo by clicking on shape. Let me change this shape from circle to square. Let me adjust the shape and size. Let me show you the logo again so that you can see very well. Let me click on the icon for text to type GT Bank. Here is GT. Let me adjust the font size. Let me highlight and click on text again and type bank. Let me adjust the font size. We are finished designing the logo. Let's see the original logo. You see, but let's change the font style. Let's use average sans because this font style is a little bit thick. Let's use average sans. Here's the font style for average sans. Let me increase the stroke. Also, the color of the stroke is also white. Let me change the font style of the bank to average sans. Let me also increase the stroke. The color of the stroke is also white. So let's increase the size of the stroke for bank. So here's the original logo for GT Bank. Let's check the original logo. Here's the original logo. But if you can observe very well, the color of this GT Bank, there is a slight difference with the color of the original one. So let's change the color of this logo. I have changed the color of this logo. So let's check the original one and see the color. You see, the color are all the same. The color of this one is also the same as the color of that original one. So we are finally finished designing the GT Bank logo. Then click to save. Thank you for your time.